All right, guys, I want to do a few tutorials, but I'm going to try to keep them short and close to about 5 minutes each so that we can just do them in little stages and you can actually stand to watch them, okay? So what we're going to start with is foundation. Obviously, that's the beginning. And I'm also going to give you a few pointers on how to use the mineral makeup because I found a few people are not familiar with the mineral makeup. So first is picking out your color. And since we can't contaminate every container for you to try it on, what we've done is we've made these cute little cards. And you can see the colors on there. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. So you can see the three colors on here. Now there's three different types. There's cool, and then there's dark, and then there's warm, okay? And so I am in the warm family. And the way I know this is you check your veins and you look at the color of your veins, and it's hard to see in the fluorescent light, but my veins have the tendency of being somewhat green. I don't know if you can really see. Let's see, maybe you can see this one. There you go. And it tends to be somewhat green, whereas others are really like bright blue, and even some are purplish tones. So if you have yellow undertones in your skin, then that means you're warm. If you have pinkish undertones in your skin, you're usually cool. So I'm going to be in the warm family, and if you take this and you put this on your jawline, the color that disappears against your skin is the color that's going to be best for your skin. So if I take this and hold it like that, you can really see these first two colors, and this last color you can really hardly see at all. You want to leave your hair down because it also contributes to the tone of your skin. You know, it needs to look good with all of it. Okay, so for me, warm 3, that's my color. If I get a little bit of a tan, I'll probably have to blend it with dark. Okay, so we're going to get started with this. I'm using this cute little contraption from beauty school from Tanya. This little Young Living headband. It's awesome. All right, and then what we're going to do is we're going to start by, I'm going to show you what the inside of it looks like. This is what the inside of this makeup kit looks like, all right? So you can see the holes. It has a sticker over it when you first get it. Take it off and then turn it upside down and get some powder into there and some mineral makeup into there. Now you can choose to just tap it into your lid like this, but I find that you get way too much when you do that. So I have a tendency to turn it upside down and let it just stick to the lid, okay? But you only need a little bit, so I think maybe this will probably be okay. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is apply this and show you how to apply the mineral makeup. So working from your cover, and I mean, I'm sorry, sometimes I'm going to glance away because I have a mirror here and the lighting is different. I'm under fluorescent lights in here, and so I can't really see everything all the time. All right, this most important thing. This misting spray is amazing, okay? It's an aloe-based, mineral-enhanced, oil-infused misting spray, and you use it on your brush to pick up the makeup, and it actually conditions your skin. It will help with all types of skin, and it is a very calming yet beneficial. It's got 12 different essential oils in it, including geranium and rose. Just go look them up. They're amazing. Okay, so you're going to take your brush. You want a nice thick kabuki type brush. You're going to give it 2 squirts of this misting spray. Okay, tap it on the back of your hand so it kind of evenly distributes, and then you're going to pick up your makeup onto your brush. Okay, your damp brush. Then you're going to take that and you're going to blend it into your face, and you want to do this in layers. Okay, so if you feel like you need more coverage, you'll put additional layers. Okay, now also if you're familiar with using mineral makeup, you know that there's a whole flyaway issue with the mineral makeup. Okay, so you'll notice that what I'm doing is I'm tapping it in here, and then I'm tapping my brush off a little bit because I don't want to waste makeup in the air. Okay, you'll get some of it that comes off the brush and kind of goes floating. But the beauty of the spray is that it keeps everything nice and onto the brush. If your brush gets too dry, 1 more squirt is plenty enough. You don't need to do 2 every time. Okay, pick up this apply it everywhere. Make sure you get the coverage you want under your eyes and on your eyelids. What we want is a very smooth canvas to work on. Okay, think of it like artwork. It's so much fun. Put a little bit under your chin, blend down into a V, and then blend up. You just want to make sure it's even coverage everywhere. All right, so I hope in these fluorescent lights you can actually see that this, I have like pretty much a full flat coverage on my face. Okay, so that's foundation. For me, the next step is blush, so we're going to go on to that next.